Good morning to my dear lovable students. Welcome to Max class. So in this conversation, we are going to discuss about continuation of example and related exercise 2.3. Okay. So one of the important example, 5-mark question. Okay. The last year 2 or 3 times repeated question. What is the question? Example 2.8 show that given two condition, what we have to show? First one purely real, second one purely imaginary. What is the meaning of purely real? So purely real means that is called Z bar is equal to Z means purely real. Then what is the meaning of purely imaginary? Z bar is equal to minus Z, that is called purely imaginary. So okay, so one by one we have to show. I am moving to subdivision 1. Question 2 plus I root 3 the whole power 10, then plus 2 minus I root 3 the whole power 10. This is considered for Z means, okay, subdivision 1 Z means taking conjugate on both sides. Taking conjugate on both sides. What will happen? So Z bar is equal to 2 plus I root 3 the whole power 10, then plus 2 minus I root 3 the whole power 10 whole bar. Now already we know one property in conjugate we have discussed. I think basic concept to part through already I given clear points each and every one. Z1 plus Z2 the whole bar means what will happen? Z1 bar plus Z2 bar. So what we have to change it here? Z bar is equal to 2 plus I root 3 the whole power 10 separate bar, then plus 2 minus I root 3 the whole power 10 here also bar. If you remove the bar means you have to change imaginary term only opposite. You have to change the sign of only imaginary term, not in real, imaginary. So Z bar is equal to 2 minus I root 3 the whole power 10, second one plus there minus sign is so 2 plus I root 3 the whole power 10. So look at there, this is our original term. Starting we are considering Z is equal to what is the value? 2 plus I root 3. 2 plus I root 3 the whole power 10. Then plus sign is there, again 2 minus I root 3. So 2 minus I root 3. So we can write no. Therefore we can say Z bar is equal to Z. When Z bar is equal to Z means, so what did I say? It is called purely real. Therefore we can say the first condition is clear, purely real. Okay, first subdivision 1 is over. Moving to subdivision 2. Subdivision 2. Question I am moving to considering first term and second term. First term also considering without bracket. What is the term is there? 19 plus 9i divided by 5 minus 3i. What we have to do? This is not a standard complex term. We have to show. We have to first rewrite in standard term. So both real and imaginary conjugate both the term means numerator and denominator we have to multiply with common denominator. What will happen there? 5 minus 3a means we have to take it 5 plus 3a, isn't it? Sorry my dear. 5 plus 3a divided by 5 plus 3a. Already you know one formula, a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b means what is the formula? A square minus b square. So a square minus b square. So denominator we can write now 5 square minus 3i the whole square. Now 19 into 5, 95. 3 into 19, 9 3s are 27, 30 plus 27 means 57i. So plus 57i. Next one 19 5 is over, then 9 3 again 9 5s are 45, isn't it? So plus 45i. Next one look at there, plus into plus sign, then first number 9 3s are 27. So 27 I square. So denominator what will happen? 5 square means 25. So if you remove the bracket means 3 square means 9, I square means minus 1. Already we have common minus, therefore minus into minus plus will come. So plus 9, isn't it? Then simplify now. First 95 plus 57 plus 45. 57 plus 45 means 102, isn't it? So 102 I. There I square also is. I square means minus 1. Therefore minus 27. Then 95 minus 27, 30 means 65, isn't it? So 65, 68 will come, isn't it? So 68 plus 102i divided by 25 plus 9 means 34. Then separate means 68 by 34. Then plus 102 by 34 I. 68 by 34, 2 times. No, 34 plus 34 is equal to 68. So 2 plus 3i. First term is over. Moving to second part. What is our second part? 8 plus I. 8 plus I divided by 1 plus 2i, isn't it? So 1 plus 2i. So 1 plus 2i means we have to take it for opposite sign of both conjugate, isn't it? So what will happen? 1 minus 2i divided by 1 minus 2i. Denominator a plus b into a minus b form. A square minus b square. So 1 square minus 2i the whole square. The next one, 8 into 1, 8. Minus 2 into 8, minus 16i. Again plus I into 1, plus I. Then here plus into minus, minus 2i square, isn't it? 2i square. Then denominator 1 will come. If you remove the bracket means 2 square means 4, I square means minus 1. We have common minus, therefore we can write it plus 4. Again 8 minus 16i plus I. We can write no, minus 15i. Then I square is there, minus 1. We have common minus, therefore 8 plus positive 2. Then 8 plus 2, 10. 10 minus 15i divided by 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Therefore 10 divided by 5 minus 15 divided by 5i. Therefore what the answer? 2 minus 3i will come. Then what is the condition? Actually the whole power 15 is there, isn't it? First in Z, if you take Z considered means 19 plus 9i divided by 5 minus 3i the whole power 15 minus of, then 8 plus I divided by 1 plus 2i the whole power 15. First answer already we found 2 plus 3i, isn't it? So how to rewrite now? 2 plus 3i the whole power 15 minus of 2 minus, this is second part answer, 2 minus 3i the whole power 15. Again the same concept like subdivision 1. What we have done in subdivision 1? Taking conjugate on both sides, isn't it? So taking conjugate on both sides. So Z bar is equal to 2 plus 3i the whole power 15 minus of 2 minus 3i the whole power of 15 conjugate. This is negative, isn't it? The same property actually, conjugate property. Z1 minus Z2 the whole bar is equal to Z1 bar minus Z2 bar. So we have to apply these places. So Z bar is equal to 2 plus 3i the whole power 15, then minus of 2 minus 3i the whole power 15. Then Z bar is equal to, if you remove the conjugate means you have to change the sign of only imaginary term. So 2 minus 3i the whole power 15, then minus of 2 plus 3i the whole power 15. Again, so Z bar is equal to minus, take common outside means what will happen? Look at there, minus change for positive. So first we have to write it positive term, 2 plus 3i 2 plus 3i the whole power 15. Plus sign means what will happen? Minus will come. Minus of 2 minus 3i the whole power 15. Now, Z bar is equal to, except minus, just to look at there, this is our Z. What is Z time? Z is equal to 2 plus 3i the whole power 15. So, 2 plus 3i the whole power 15. Then minus sign. Again 2 minus 3. So, we can write no minus Z. So, what did I say? When you can say purely imaginary, Z bar is equal to minus Z means that is called purely imaginary. Therefore, we can say no purely. So, imaginary. Okay, our proof first and second, one of the important question. Okay, so easy concept also. If you know the some properties and conjugate term, definitely you can attempt. Then definitely do your homework. I will do some questions from exercise 2.4, the same concept, question number 7. So always with you, my dear students, do. If you do more practice, definitely you can attempt whatever the question. Question number 7, the same concept you can do for homework. Okay, what I am saying, exercise 2.7, the last question. Okay, remaining some question I will do it, don't worry. Okay, so 1, 2, some questions I will do it. Okay, I will continue the next exercise 2.4. Okay, so I am moving to continue exercise problem. Okay, exercise 2.4. In question number 1, they have given 3 subdivision. Okay, do your homework. Subdivision 1, I will do subdivision 2 and 3. Okay, so what is the question? Subdivision 2, 10 minus 5i, solution 10 minus 5i divided by 6 plus 2i. This is not a standard form, but question write the following rectangular form. What is the meaning of rectangular form? X plus iy form, isn't it? So x plus iy form. X is called real, y is called imaginary. This is not a standard. So what we have to do? We have to multiply both the side, conjugate. Conjugate means denominator plus 2i means we have to do 6 minus 2i. So we have to multiply both side, conjugate term. Conjugate means 6 minus 2i divided by here also 6 minus 2i. Then denominator a plus b into a minus b. What is the meaning? A square minus b square. A square minus b square means 6 square minus 2i the whole square. But in numerator 10 into 6, 60. Then minus 2 into 10, minus 20i. Again minus 5 into 6, minus 30i. Last one, minus into minus plus 2 into 5, 10i square. Then 60 minus 20 minus 30 means minus 50i. I square means minus 1. So plus into minus, minus 10 divided by 6 square means 36. If you remove the bracket means 2 square means 4, I square minus 1. Already we have common minus. Therefore, minus into minus plus will come. Okay, the plus 4, isn't it? Now, 60 minus 10, 50 minus 50i divided by 36 plus 4 means 40. Then if you make it x and iy form means first one 50 divided by 40 minus again 50 divided by 40i. 0 0 cancel, here also 0 0 cancel. Therefore, answer will be 5 by 4 minus 5 by 4i. This is subdivision second. Okay, I am moving to last one, subdivision third, 3i bar. 3i bar means we have to change the sign. So, minus 3i, then plus, there is not a standard. So, 1 divided by 2 minus I is there. If you need to convert standard form means we have to multiply both side of conjugate. 2 minus I is there, we have to multiply 2 plus I. So, minus is equal to minus 3i as it is. Then next one, common denominator a plus b into a minus b form means a square minus b square. So, 2 square minus I square. Denominator 1 into 2 plus I means 2 plus I. So, again minus 3i, then plus there 2 plus I as it is. Denominator 2 square means 4, I square minus 1. Already we have common minus. Therefore, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Again cross multiply means minus 15 because 3 into 5, 15. Minus 15i plus 2 plus I divided by 15. So, look at there, minus 15i plus I. So, minus 14i, then minus 14i, last one plus 2 divided by 4. This is not a standard because we need x plus iy form. So, we have to rewrite 2 minus 14i divided by 5. Therefore, what is the rectangular form? So, true by 5 minus 14 by 5i. This is our subdivision third answer. So, I told you subdivision 1, do homework. I am moving to continue doing exercise 2.4. Okay. 2.4 question number 2. For your homework, question subdivision 1. Okay. I will do subdivision 2 and 3. What is the question? Solution. Real of I z bar. Then real of I z bar means z is equal to given condition. What is the meaning? X plus iy bar. Then so real of I as it is. If you remove the conjugate means imaginary time sign will be changed. There is x plus iy, so we can write it x minus iy. Then real of, if you remove the bracket means each and every time multiply into I. I into x means ix, then minus I square y. Again real of ix as it is. I square means what is the value? Minus 1. We have common minus. Therefore, minus into minus plus. So, plus y, isn't it? Therefore, we need real part. Real part means how to rearrange first? Real part means y plus ix. Therefore, answer will be real value only y. I am moving to subdivision third. What is the question? Imaginary of 3z plus 4z bar minus 4i. Then imaginary of z is equal to what is the value? X plus iy, then plus 4 into x plus iy bar minus 4i. Then imaginary, if you remove the bracket means 3x plus 3iy, then plus 4 into, remove the conjugate means you have to change the sign of imaginary term, not in real, only imaginary. So, x minus iy, then minus 4i, isn't it? Therefore, then imaginary of 3x plus 3iy, if you remove the bracket 4x minus 4iy minus 4i. Then imaginary of, listen very carefully, 3x plus 4x, now we have to grouping real and imaginary separated. So, 3x plus 4x means 7x, then plus I only take common outside means 3y minus 4y, then minus 4 only. Now, imaginary of 7x plus I into 3y minus 4y means minus y and minus 4. So, we need actually only imaginary. Imaginary means what the answer is there? Minus y minus 4. Therefore, answer will be equal to minus y minus 4. This is our final answer. Okay. So, subdivision 1, do your homework. Okay. I will continue the next question. Okay. Continue because some questions will be important. That's why I am doing one by one. Question number 3 I will do. Okay. So, what is the question? Question number 3, if Z1 is equal to true minus I, solution, Z1 is equal to true minus I, then Z2 is equal to minus 4 plus 3i. Find the inverse. So, find the inverse of first Z1, Z2. First we have to find out the solution for Z1 and Z2. What will happen? Z1 and Z2 is equal to, Z1 is equal to true minus I. Then Z2 means minus 4 plus 3i. Again 2 into minus 4 minus 8. Again plus 3 into 2 plus 6i. Minus I into minus 4 means positive 4i. Then plus into minus minus 1 into 3 means 3i square. Nothing to denominator, isn't it? So now again minus 8 plus 6i plus 4i means plus 10i. I square means minus 1, we have common minus, therefore plus 3 will come. Minus 8 plus 3 means minus 5 will come. Minus 5 plus 10i. Then we need inverse, isn't it? So Z inverse means Z1 into Z2, the whole inverse is equal to 1 by Z1 into Z2. This is already we know Z1 into Z2 answer. So now Z1 into Z2 is equal to, the inverse is equal to 1 by, what is the value? Minus 5 plus 10i. Minus 5 plus 10i into what we have to do, this is not a standard form, we have to multiply both sides, conjugate. Conjugate means minus 5 minus 10i divided by minus 5 minus 10i. Then, so denominator a plus b into a minus b, minus 5 the whole square, again minus 10i the whole square. Again 1 into minus 5 minus 10i means as it is minus 5 minus 10i. Minus 5 minus 10i divided by minus 5 the whole square means positive 25, isn't it? Positive 25. Again 10i the whole square means 100 will come, I square means minus, therefore positive 100. So minus 5 minus 10i divided by 125. Then if you make it separate term means minus 5 by 125, again minus 10 by 125i. 5 and 125 means 25 times, 10 and 25 means 2 by 25. Therefore, answer will be minus 1 by 25 minus 2 by 25i. This is first part, isn't it? Find the inverse of first part, Z1 and Z2. Then Z1 divided by Z2. The same condition we need. Z1 by Z2, Z1 by Z2. The whole inverse means what will happen? Z1 by Z2, the whole inverse means 1 by Z1 by Z2. Therefore, we can write no. If we make again reciprocal means Z2 by Z1 will come. Z2 by Z1 will come. Then Z2 is equal to what is the value? Minus 4 plus 3i divided by Z1 is equal to 2 minus i. This is not a standard. What we have to do? We have to multiply both the side of conjugate. Conjugate means the denominator 2 minus i means 2 plus i into 2 plus i again into 2 plus i. Then denominator very simple, a plus b into a minus b, 2 square minus I square. So numerator minus 4 into 2 minus 8, I into minus 4 minus 4i plus 3 into 2 plus 6i. Again last condition 3i square, isn't it? Plus 3i square. Therefore minus 8 minus 4i plus 2i plus 6i means plus 2i will come. I square minus 1 we have plus sign. Therefore we can write it minus 3. 2 square means 4, I square means minus 1, we have common minus the plus 1. Then numerator minus 8 minus 3 means minus 11 plus 2i divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Therefore minus 11 by 5 the real, then 2 by 5 I, this is imaginary. Okay, this is subdivision second part, Z1 by Z2 the inverse. Okay, I hope you understand. Please my dear students, if you have any doubt please put in comment box. Then I will continue some important questions from exercise 2.4. Okay, keep it on touch. So I am going to continue exercise problem question number 4. What is the question? The complex number uv and w are related by condition. What is the condition? 1 by u is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by w. True value is given. V is equal to what is the value? V is equal to 3 minus 4i. Then w is equal to what is the value? 4 plus 3i. You have to apply 1 by u is equal to 1 by 3 minus 4i, then plus 1 by 4 plus 3i. So 1 by u is equal to, this is not a standard, we have to multiply conjugate term, isn't it? Both sides, we have to multiply both sides conjugate term. 1 by 3 minus 4i into 3 plus 4i divided by 3 plus 4i, then plus next term 1 divided by 4 plus 3i means 4 minus 3i divided by 4 minus 3i. So 1 by u is equal to numerator 1 into, so 3 plus 4i as it is, a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus 4i the whole square. Again plus second part also 4 minus 3i as it is, denominator 4 square minus 3i the whole square. Then 3 plus 4i, this is called 1 by u, isn't it? 3 plus 4i, 3 square means 9, 4i square means 16, I square means minus 1. So we can write now positive 16, then plus, again second part, 4 minus 3i, then 4 square means 16, the same term will come, positive 16, isn't it? Sorry my dear, this is first one, 4 square means 16, second part, what the term will come, 3 square means 9 plus 9 will come. Again 1 by u is equal to 3 plus 4i divided by 25, again 4 minus 3i divided by 25. This is common denominator. So common denominator means, so 1 by u is equal to 3 plus 4i plus 4 minus 7i divided by 25. Then 1 by u is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 plus 4i minus 7i means minus 3i. 4 minus 3i, sorry my dear, this is 4 minus 3i. So 3 plus 4i minus 3i means only positive I will come, because plus 4i minus 3i. So 7 plus I divided by 25. Then 1 by u value we found, but actually what we need, find u term in rectangular. What is the meaning of rectangular form? X plus iy, that is important condition. Okay, so 1 by u is equal to 7 plus I divided by 25. We need first u. Cross multiply means what will happen? 25 is equal to 7 plus I into u. Therefore, u is equal to 25 by 7 plus I. This is also not in standard. So we have to multiply. Both sides, conjugate. So 7 minus I divided by 7 minus I. Then u is equal to 25 into 7 minus I. Denominator a plus b into a minus b form, a square minus b square. Therefore 49, I square means definitely minus 1, we have common minus. Okay, I will write it clearly, then only you will understand. So 7 square minus I square. Then u is equal to 25 into 7 minus I divided by 7 square means 49, I square means minus 1, we have common minus, therefore plus 1. Then u is equal to 25 into 7 minus I divided by 50. So 25, 50 cancel means 2 times. Then final answer, u is equal to 7 by 2 minus I by 2 or 1 by 2. This is our final answer. Okay, one of the important questions. Okay, so do more practice, then only you will get clear idea. Then I will continue the next question. Okay, question number 5, that is also prove the following properties, isn't it? Okay, keep it on touch. So one of the important question. Okay, this is in your question paper they will ask separate of subdivision 1 or subdivision 2, because the condition also prove the following property. Okay, what is the question? Prove the following property. Okay, I am moving to subdivision 1. Subdivision 1 question, Z is real. Okay, I will take it case 1 and case 2. Okay, sometimes possible because if and only if is there. So what is the meaning? Prove that Z is real. First case we have to prove Z is real. A given condition, Z is equal to Z bar. As well as case 2, what will happen? Just opposite, because if and only if is there, no? So prove that, what we have to prove, Z is equal to Z bar. Then given Z is real. Z is real. So now one by one we have to show. First one, given condition Z is equal to Z bar. So let Z is equal to x plus iy means what will happen? X is equal to x plus iy means Z bar means definitely conjugate. Conjugate means we have to change the sign of only imaginary. So x minus iy. What is the given? Z is equal to Z bar. Z value x plus iy means z bar x minus iy. So xx will be cancelled means minus iy bring it opposite side means a positive iy is equal to 0. Therefore, true iy is equal to 0 means we can say y is equal to 0. When definitely y is equal to 0 means when x is real means z is, the whole considered for term will be, this is definitely y is equal to 0 means look at there, already we have taken, what we have taken, z is equal to x plus iy. Instead of y we can apply the 0 means definitely z is equal to x. When you get the result z is equal to x means z is real. That is, therefore, the first condition is clear, z is real. Moving to second case. Second case, given z is real. Okay, the same one, let's consider for z is equal to x plus iy means when you get z is real, definitely y is equal to 0 means. So, let z is equal to x plus iy, when, because given z is real, when you get z is real, when y is equal to 0 means, so when y is equal to 0 means what the value will get it, z is equal to x. This is considered for equation number 1. Then same time, if you take z bar means what will happen, x minus iy. Here also you can apply, given z is real, when you get z is real, definitely y is equal to 0. Here also, when y is equal to 0 means z bar is equal to, definitely here also we will get it x. This is considered for equation number 2 means, so from 1 and true, look at there, from 1 and true, z is also x, z bar also x, therefore we can say z is equal to z bar. This is our prove that condition. Okay, case number 2 also clear. I am moving to second part of question number 5. Okay. This is true way. Okay. Second part. Before moving to the condition, you have to understand important points. What is the point? Let us consider z is equal to x plus iy means when you can say real of purely real. Purely real means when you can say this is called real of z, then when you called y, imaginary of y. So when you can say real of z means when y is equal to 0 means, then when you can say imaginary of z, okay, imaginary of z, definitely when x is equal to 0 means. Okay, then I am moving to first part. What is the first part? Real of z is equal to z plus z bar by 2, isn't it? So z plus z bar by 2 means let z is equal to x plus iy means what will happen? I will consider for only RHS part. Okay, RHS equal to, what is the value? Z plus z bar by 2. Then z we have considered for x plus iy. Then z bar means just we have to change the sign of imaginary. So plus x minus iy divided by 2. Then what will happen? Plus iy minus iy cancel means x plus x is equal to 2x divided by 2. Definitely this is considered for only x. When you get the x, definitely when y is equal to 0 means. That's why I told you, if you take it y is equal to 0 means, that is what is the meaning? Real of z. This is called what is the meaning? Real of z. This is we need LHS, isn't it? So first one clear. I am moving to the second part. What is the part actually? Here also I am considering, first moving on the RHS. What is RHS part? Z minus z bar by true y, isn't it? So z minus z bar means what? Z is equal to, I have considered for x plus iy. Again x plus iy, z bar means x minus iy will come divided by true y. Then x plus iy, remove the bracket means minus x plus iy. Here plus x, sorry dear, divided by true I will come. Again plus x minus x will be cancelled, therefore true I divided by true I. Again true I, 2I cancel means again we will get it. When you get y, definitely x is equal to 0 means, so x is equal to 0 means that is what is called imaginary of z. This is called imaginary of z. One of the important property, okay, very easy. When you get the easy means that is actually concept. Concept means purely real and purely imaginary. Already I explained in basic concept part 2. Okay, when you say, it's very useful. Okay, so one of the important questions I will continue, one of the last question from exercise 2.4. Okay, what is the question? Find the least value of the positive integer n for which root 3 plus I the whole power n purely real and purely imaginary. Already you know what is the meaning of purely real. When y is equal to 0 means we can call it purely real. When you can say purely imaginary, when x is equal to 0 means. Okay, I will consider first one solution. The given only one condition is there, root 3 plus I the whole power n. So least positive integer, least value. Okay, so we will get it the result only real term. Only real term means we can say imaginary term will be 0. That time what the power value will come, that is our condition. Okay, taking n is equal to 1 means what will happen? N is equal to 1 means root 3 plus I the whole power n means definitely only instead of n we can apply 1, isn't it? Only root 3 plus I will come. This is real also is there, imaginary also is there. So we need only purely real what when it will happen, purely imaginary when it will happen. So okay, taking, this is not possible, taking n is equal to true. So taking n is equal to 2 means what will happen? Root 3 plus I the whole square, a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square. So root 3 the whole square means 3 will come, then plus 2i root 3, then definitely I square means minus 1. Therefore 3 minus 1 2 is there, 2 plus 2i root 3. Again 2 take common outside means 1 plus I root 3. This is also definitely not possible because real also is there, imaginary also is there. Okay, I am moving to taking n is equal to 3. So taking n is equal to 3, root 3 plus I the whole power 3. We can split now, root 3 plus I the whole square into root 3 plus I. Already we found root 3 plus I the whole square. What the answer? True of 1 plus I root 3 into root 3 plus I. Again true into 1 into root 3, root 3. Again 1 into I. Listen very carefully. Then plus I is there. Root 3 into root 3, only 3i, isn't it? That means we can write no 3i because root 3 into root 3 is equal to only 3 will come. That's why I have written only 3. Okay. Then last condition, I into I square. I square means minus will come, minus root 3. Therefore plus root 3 minus root 3 cancel. Then true into 3i plus only 4i will come, isn't it? This is called 8i. See, only imaginary term only is there. So when it will happen, definitely x is equal to 0 means imaginary. So this is called purely imaginary. But what is the kind of find the least value of integer? When it was happen actually, when n is equal to 3 means, okay, when n is equal to 3 means purely imaginary. Okay, so I will take it, but we need real also. I will consider this is what is the value when it was happen, root 3 plus I the whole cube means we have 8i. I will write it this step. I need to write it, then only we can find out purely real. So root 3 plus I the whole cube is equal to 8i. Taking square on both sides, taking square on both sides, what will happen? Root 3 plus I 3 the whole square is equal to 8i the whole square. Then already we know one formula, a power m the whole power n means a to the power mn. So we can say root 3 plus I 2 into 3 6. If you remove the bracket means 8 square means 64, but I square means minus 64. See, look at there, this is only real. So when it was happen only real, so imaginary will be 0. So therefore this is called purely real. Therefore when n is equal to 6 means this is called purely real. First one answer. Then last, when it was happen purely imaginary, n is equal to 3 means. So when n is equal to 3 means purely imaginary. One of the important 5 mark question. The next question I told you starting itself, question number 7, do your homework, okay, like example 2.8, okay. So please listen, my dear students. I hope you are satisfied in this class. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts, okay. I will continue the next class. Bye bye.